Getting veneers ready for boxing. There's a piece of Swiss pear wood, mild curl figure to it. For a novice veneer user, this is an excellent wood to work with. Bird's eye maple, beautiful underlying quilt pattern, evenly spaced eyes. Again, a nice wood for a novice veneer user. Followed by a wide piece of mahogany. And this piece is 13 inches wide. You can find that on eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools. There's a narrow piece of curly maple, full side-to-side curl figure. Again, you can find that piece on ThinWoodandOldTools on eBay. There's a quarter sawn piece of curly walnut. Gorgeous, gorgeous veneer to work with. Good veneer for a novice veneer user. A couple pieces of Pavo Ferro or Santos rosewood. Brilliant colors with that. There's browns, purples, blacks, yellows. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous wood to work with. And it's probably one of those borderline woods that if you were, probably save it for your second veneer project. But if it is a good wood, you probably could get by if you have some woodworking experience working with a Palo Ferro. Here's a piece of bird's eye maple, followed by a fumed French oak, quarter sawn, and lastly a bird's eye maple, bird's eye maple with nice dense eyes. You can find all these veneers and more in my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, and of course on Amazon as seller Volpe Woodworks. I have a YouTube channel where this video is being hosted at. If you like the content of the video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions about any of the veneers you see, please reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com.